Are you looking for the best multi-process welder? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best multi-process welders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 1. Lincoln Electric K3963 1-Power MIG 210. The Lincoln Electric K3963 1-Power MIG 210 is a compact yet powerful multi-process welder. Its rugged chassis houses 3 welding technologies: TIG, MIG, and stick. Its voltage runs on 110 volts or 230 volts. Because while these are compact multi-process welders, they are also on the lighter side, weighing in at just 40 pounds. You can use the K3963 one for both strong and smooth welds. Because of this, it's a good fit for quick repair work and also more intricate precision projects. However, it may not be good enough for heavy-duty workloads and thick materials despite the price tag. Although the machine can be used for a wide range of welding applications, it's not a difficult machine to use. The control panel is intuitive, and the color display makes it easy to understand what you're doing at any given time. The push-and-turn digital controls are also a breeze to use, especially for quick adjustments on the fly. In terms of power, the K3963 one can handle up to 3/8 thick stainless steel and up to 3/16 aluminum. You can also do electrode welds at up to 5/30 seconds. Although it looks like the K3863 one is a complete package, it doesn't come with a spool gun. Other than that, everything you need to get started on your projects will be included in the package. At number 2. Forney Easy Weld 271 140 Multi-Process Welder. It is vital to choose a welder that is safe to use while being productive. And it's a bonus when it comes at a low price. The Forney Easy Weld 271 ticks all the boxes. The features of this welder ensure that you are safe while you work, and it comes at a reasonable price. The Forney Easy Weld 271 is a welder that can be used for different categories of welding. It can be used for stick welding, up to 4 different types of MIG welding, and for TIG welding. It welds up to 1/43rd, and it has an 83 electrode holder. The design is compact and durable. It weighs a mere 24.8 pounds, which make it quite portable and great for any activities that involve moving the welder from place to place. One reason why we like the Forney Easy Weld 271 is that using a gas wire is optional. You can use it without gas. To ensure your safety and the durability of the equipment, it comes with indicators. For example, it has an overheating temperature indicator. Also, it possesses a fault indicator that alerts you to any problems the equipment might have. The Forney Easy Weld 271 is quite easy to use. Even beginners can use it without any hassles. One feature that aids beginners is the synergic welding mode. When the machine is in this mode, it seems like it's on autopilot. It serves the function of monitoring and optimizing the welding arc. At number 3. The Forney Multi-Process Welder. The Forney Multi-Process Welder is powerful, well-constructed, and suitable for any professional welder. Users love the digital readout screen. This welder has a maximum output of 190 amp, a cast aluminum drive system, a Euroconnect MIG gun, a regulator, a gas hose, a 4.5 meters power cord, an adapter plug for 120V, and a startup guide. It weighs 43 pounds, and you can use it for the following processes: MIG, flex cord, stick, and TIG, but you'll have to buy the TIG setup separately. Overall, this is a welder of high quality and price, and it has synergic welding capabilities. In general, buyers are pleased with the quality, performance, and functionality of this. The MIG and flex core welding process work without a flaw, and there is minimal spatter. This is the best option for who is looking for an all-in-one welder. The digital readout of this welder is a nice feature that allows you to adjust the power and the precision of welding, and as a result, your welding will be smoother than before. Overall, this multi-purpose welder is well made and comfortable. You will be surprised to see how well the welder works on 120 volts. The on-off switch of this machine is located on the back, and it's not comfortable to use. At number 4. Everlast PowerMS 251C. This is a powerful MIG, TIG, and stick welder to satisfy all your metal fabrication needs. The MIG process of this welder offers you 250 amp output, and is able to weld up to 5/16" mild steel. During TIG welding, it offers you the ability to weld aluminum or any ultra-thin metal, which is not ideal for stick or MIG welding. And during stick welding, this machine offers you 200 amps output for stick, and is able to weld up to 5/32" electrodes. Its lift start and high frequency start lets you choose between the lift or touchless start while in TIG mode. It's the first multi-process welder that has both types of start for TIG welding. Also, synergic MIG and spool gun operation let you designate what type of wire you're using: steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and what size wire you're using. The digital synergic MIG function automatically adjusts wire speed, while voltage is decreased or increased to maintain a preset ratio of volts and amps, and produces smooth, strong weld beads. The 9-channel memory functions let you store and recall necessary settings for various jobs, which makes switching a breeze. The welder comes almost ready to weld. The package includes MIG, TIG, and stick torches, regulator, cables, foot pedal, and starter kit. The Everlast POWMS 251C offers you a wide range of versatility. It doesn't matter what type of task you need to do, this all-in-one welding machine will be able to tackle it. This all-in-one welder is almost silent. You won't hear the cooling fan screaming in the background. While the fan is quiet, at the same time it's able to push a lot of air through. In TIG mode, you can choose between a high-frequency start and a lift start. It's flexible for working in a variety of situations. The inverter technology design makes this machine a leader in the most compact and portable multi-process welders available on the market today. Inverter technology makes it energy efficient, not only saving you money on energy costs, but also producing quality welds. At number 5. AHP AlphaDig 200X Multi-Process Welder. As an all-around machine, few come close to the Alpha 200X Multi-Process Welder for the price. It's compatible with most outlets as a dual-voltage 110 and 220 volt unit, and works with both AC and DC current, making it great for both low and high-power jobs. It works well with steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, and allowing precise welding of thinner gauge materials. With a single pass, it cuts a 1/4 swathe through aluminum and 3/4 through mild steel, making it about the average for cutting power. The only real complaint to be had is the lack of portability. At 69 pounds and around 2 feet on each side, it's a fairly bulky and heavy unit, but its power and versatility make up for that.